How to get rid of weed smell in your closet, detailed guide. Enjoying a little herbal relaxation, only to realize that the aroma has made its way into every nook and cranny of your home, including your closet? Whether you're trying to keep things under wraps or just don't want to be reminded of your recent activities every time you open your closet door, getting rid of weed smell in your closet is a must. So, if you're looking for some tips and tricks on how to get rid of weed smell in your closet, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and banish that weed smell once and for all. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Remove all items from the closet and place them in a well-ventilated area. This will help prevent any lingering odors from clinging to your clothes or other items. To start, clear out everything from the closet, including clothes, shoes, and any other items. You can use a laundry basket or large trash bags to transport everything to the well-ventilated area. Once you've emptied the closet, place everything in a well-ventilated area. This could be a room with open windows or a fan running to circulate fresh air. If the weather permits, you could also place everything outside in a covered area. Fresh air will help remove any residual weed smell from your items. You could also use some odor-absorbing products to help with this process. Activated charcoal, baking soda, and white vinegar are all great odor-absorbing products. Simply place them around the area where your items are stored and allow them to work. Wipe down the closet shelves, walls, and door. This action will get rid of any visible weed residue contributing to the lingering smell. To get started, get a damp, clean cloth and a cleaning solution or vinegar. The cleaning solution or vinegar will break down any sticky or stubborn residue. If you choose to use vinegar, you'll need to create a solution of white vinegar and water. Mix 1 part of white vinegar with 1 part of water in a container. Stir the mixture to combine. If you want to use a spray bottle, pour the solution into the bottle. Don't forget to shake well before use. Dampen the cloth with water. Make sure the cloth is damp, but not soaking wet. You don't want to introduce excess moisture to your closet. Begin by wiping down the closet shelves. Start at the top and work your way down to the bottom. Make sure to pay special attention to any areas that may have a buildup of dust or dirt. Such areas include corners or crevices. You can use the damp cloth to wipe down the walls and door as well. However, take care not to oversaturate the area with water. If you have any stubborn residue, you don't need to worry. Simply use the cleaning solution or white vinegar solution to break it down. Apply a small amount of either solution to the cloth. Then, use it to wipe down the affected area. Be sure to rinse the area with a clean, damp cloth afterward. Doing this will remove any leftover cleaning solution. After wiping down your closet, allow it to dry completely. You can now place the items back inside. This will help prevent any mold or mildew from developing due to excess moisture. If the weed smell lingers, do the next item. Place a bowl of white vinegar in the closet and close the door. This is a great way to eliminate any lingering weed smell. To begin, get a bowl of white vinegar. White vinegar is an effective odor eliminator due to its acidic properties. Therefore, it can help neutralize the smell of weed. You'll want to use enough vinegar to fill a bowl about 3/4 of the way. If the vinegar smell is too strong for you, you can dilute it. Just mix it with water in a 1-to-1 ratio. Alternatively, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to help mask the scent. Put the bowl of white vinegar in the center of the closet. Make sure it's not touching anything. You can place it on a shelf or the floor. Just ensure that it isn't in a spot where it could be easily knocked over. Once you've placed the bowl of vinegar in the closet, close the door. This will help contain the vinegar. In addition, it will allow it to work more effectively in neutralizing the smell. The longer the vinegar sits, the more effective it will be at absorbing the smell. For best results, leave the bowl of vinegar overnight. If you can't manage that, leave it for at least 8 hours. After the allotted time, open the closet door and remove the bowl of vinegar. Let the closet air out for a few hours, preferably 2 to 3 hours. This will ensure that the vinegar smell dissipates. You can also turn on fans or open windows to help circulate the air and move the smell out of the closet. During this time, avoid entering the closet or putting anything back inside. Doing so could interfere with the airing out process. Now, take a deep breath and see if the weed has dissipated. If you still smell weed, try the next item. Place activated charcoal or baking soda in the closet. Activated charcoal and baking soda are both natural odor absorbers. Activated charcoal is a highly porous material that can absorb many times its own weight in impurities. Baking soda, on the other hand, is an alkaline substance that can help neutralize acidic odors. Therefore, you can use either of these products to remove any remaining weed smell from your closet. Once you've chosen which product you want to use, place it in an open container. You can use a bowl or a small bucket. Use enough of the product to cover the bottom of the container. Put the container of activated charcoal or baking soda in the closet. Then, follow the same instructions we shared for white vinegar. Don't forget to dispose of the product after removing it from the closet. This is important because the product will have absorbed the odor. Therefore, it will not be effective for future use. If the smell is not gone after doing the above instructions, try the following. Use a fabric deodorizer spray on clothes or fabrics. There are many fabric deodorizer sprays available in stores or online. It's crucial to choose a spray that is safe to use on fabrics. In addition, choose a scent that you like. Before using the fabric deodorizer spray, be sure to read the label carefully. Then, take any precautions advised. Some sprays may not be safe to use on certain types of fabrics. Some may have specific usage instructions. To avoid any damage or discoloration to your clothes or fabrics, test the spray on a small area. Ensure that you do this before using it on a larger area. This way, you'll confirm that the spray is safe to use and won't cause any damage. Next, spray it directly on any clothes or fabrics in your closet that still have weed odor. Be sure to follow the instructions on the label for the amount of spray to use. Finally, let it dry completely before putting the clothes or fabrics back in the closet. This will ensure that the spray has had time to work. Furthermore, it ensures that the spray won't transfer onto other items in the closet. If the weed smell is still present, you might need to reapply the spray. However, be sure not to overdo it. Too much spray can leave a residue or buildup on fabrics. Using a fabric deodorizer spray is a safe and effective alternative to using harsh chemicals or detergents. Some of these chemicals or detergents can damage fabrics or cause skin irritation. Consider using an air purifier with a HEPA filter. With the aid of a HEPA filter air purifier, you can remove any remaining weed smell from the air. HEPA filters are designed to remove small particles from the air. To use an air purifier, place it in the closet where the weed smell is coming from. Make sure the purifier is on a flat surface. In addition, ensure that it is not obstructed by any clothing or other items. Let the air purifier run for several hours or even overnight. This will give it time to filter out any remaining odors. Keep in mind that air purifiers are not an instant fix. Therefore, it may take some time to fully remove all of the smell from the closet. Over time, the HEPA filter in the air purifier will become clogged with particles. When this happens, you need to replace it. Check the manufacturer's instructions for information on what to do. Usually, HEPA filters need to be replaced every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage. Keep the closet well ventilated. You can do this by leaving the closet door open, using a fan, or installing a ventilation system. Fresh air from outside can help remove any remaining odors. Some closets have sliding doors or doors that don't stay open. If you have such, use a doorstop to prop the door open. The use of a fan will reduce any stagnant air in the closet and promote fresh airflow. Consider installing a ventilation system if you have a larger closet. This way, the vents in the closet will allow fresh air to enter and stale air to exit. You can hire a professional to install a ventilation system. Alternatively, you can find a DIY kit that you can install yourself. Store any weed or paraphernalia outside the closet. This is important to prevent future odors. Begin by choosing a safe and secure location to store your weed and paraphernalia. You can use a locked drawer or cabinet, a safe, or even a separate room that is well ventilated. Once you have a location, use an airtight container to store your weed and paraphernalia. This will prevent any odors from escaping and spreading throughout your living space. It's important to store your weed and paraphernalia in a cool, dry place. Doing this will prevent mold and mildew from forming. A basement, closet, or cupboard can be a good location as long as it's well ventilated. To prevent odors from building up on your paraphernalia, clean it regularly. Use a pipe cleaner or a small brush to remove any residue. Then, wash it with soap and warm water. You can also use rubbing alcohol or a specialized cleaning solution for any stubborn buildup. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.